Everybody asks me questions on what to do with leftovers. I've got one recipe that takes care of two different items that are typically involved with the holiday ham aspect. What do you do with pineapple that's left over on top? And what do you do with the ham that's left over the following week? So usually there's a little bit of ham that's just sticking in the fridge, and you've already worn out the welcome on doing ham sandwiches, ham salad, this, that, the other, and you want to try something new and different. We're gonna do Hawaiian pancakes with toasted coconut. Yeah, that's what I said. Hawaiian pancakes with toasted coconut. Pineapple, ham, and toasted coconut on baked pancakes. Just a little bit different. So, stay tuned. Check this out. Every weekend you get hit up for pancakes. Most people grab a box. It's half things you can read and half things you have no idea what they are. So I'm going to show you that everything is more than likely already in your kitchen to make perfect, fluffy, awesome pancakes. At this point, we are going to take all of our wet and dry ingredients out. I've got 3 cups of all-purpose flour. We've got a tablespoon and a tablespoon of baking powder and a teaspoon and a half of baking soda, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of regular sea salt. We're going to melt down 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Got 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 3 eggs that I left out to be at room temperature overnight, a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, we're going to go ahead 2.5 cups of milk, and incorporate our dry ingredients. Add your salt, add your sugar, add your baking powder and baking soda, give it a nice whisk, blend everything properly. We're just using 3 cups of regular AP flour. Whole wheat is usable. All right, set that off to the side. We're going to want a microwave safe dish. 2 tablespoons of butter. Into the microwave. Just about 15 seconds will do a small amount of butter. Gonna add about 1/2 cup of milk. And my eggs. Start incorporating your eggs, break your yolks. Get them fully incorporated in here. Add your vanilla. add the rest of our milk. Now the apple cider vinegar that we're going to add is going to turn our regular milk into a little buttermilk. Give us a nice tanginess. I'm going to whisk that in. My butter's melted nicely. I'm going to add that to my dry ingredients. Right along with my wet ingredients. Use your spatula. I am not an individual that is overly worried about lumps in my pancakes. This is a rather thick pancake batter to begin with. I want to get all the way down to the bottom and scoop and stir. We're going to head to the next step. Got some pineapple slices. I'll open these guys up and let them drain things very, very well. And I just use my throwaway containers so that I can save the rest of the pineapple along with it. Set that off to the side, let those do their thing. Take a quarter stick of butter. Bring it into your skillet. Turn your oven on 350. We're gonna make ourselves a little bit of caramel. This is an unsalted butter. And throw about a teaspoon of fresh sea salt in there. Sticking with my Hawaii trend. I'm just going to take a teaspoon and go in one at a time. Should need about 8 big heaping teaspoons. Still got to cook a little bit of the water out of the butter. Now, to get your pan nice and hot, we went all the way up to high. We're going to lower it down about half. Got some of your leftover holiday ham. Give her a real nice fine chop. Quarter inch, third of an inch. We're just looking for smaller pieces. Something that's gonna add a little texture, but I'm not gonna have to sit there and chew on it. Let's go and add our ham. Oh, I'd say 4 or 5 rings, depending on your love of the pineapple. Nice rough chop. Incorporate the whole thing. Watch for any popping and splattering. This might be the time where we go back down to the lower, right back into that medium area. You want an even layer all the way through, so blend your ham, now. Take your, there we go, fresh made pancake mix, and just slowly start covering from the middle to the edges. She's going to start cooking right away. You see the edges bubbling out. Okay, as she goes into the oven, lightly top sweetened coconut flakes. These will toast as you cook in the oven, giving you that nice toasted coconut flavor all throughout your pancake. Got a little butter on it. Melted the butter, came out nice and clean. No dough or no batter in there. While it's nice and hot, it should have pulled away from the edges on its own without any assistance. But go back through and double check. Make sure it's nice and free. I like to take a domed or a convex plate, something that sinks in a little bit in the middle. I'm going to place it right over the top. Get your hot pads. Now this is something that the parents may have to do for you if you're young doing this. But 1, give her a shake. 2, 3, flip. Open your hot pads up. Take a serrated knife. Ooh, that's warm. That is a rock star pancake. Yeah. The caramel makes it extra moist. The little pockets of coconut that's in here is just, incredible. The ham got nice and crispy. You're looking at beautiful toasted coconut on the other side, giving you a great flavor and texture differentiation. This is probably one of the best pancakes that I've ever had. No syrup needed. Feel free to put some on it if you want. I'm gonna leave you all there. You guys keep cooking. Check out one of the new videos. Check out one of the old videos. Check us out on Instagram. We will see you all. We will see you all soon. We've got one of the new classes coming up every Thursday, 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. So feel free to come on by and join us.